Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I am super excited to say I have my first 2 completions in August. It's not the end of the month. Which is funny because this painting, I just showed it in my monthly review for my whips in June, and I believe I stated this painting, yeah, I knew it was going to be my next completion. The wonderful painting I was able to complete is this one. Timeless Roses from Simply Dotz or Diamonddotz, and it's a pair of beautiful roses that I just fell in love when I first saw this painting. I originally bought it at the beginning of last year, I believe. It's when I first was starting diamond painting, and I saw, oh my goodness, Walmart has some random diamond paintings. So I found this beautiful one and I picked it up. The funny story about this one, it kept traveling with me everywhere I traveled. Since I was moving cities, and yeah, every now and then I would just pick up this painting, work on it a bit, and put it aside. It's a partial, as you can probably tell, since it's not sticking. And I finally found it when I was going through my stash a couple of days ago, and I saw, you know what, I think I can sit down. I believe I've gone a lot faster on my diamond painting, so I believe I could just finish real quickly, and voila, I have a completion. Let me give you some stats on this painting real quick. This wonderful painting is my 30th premium lifetime diamond painting lifetime completion, my 25th in the year 2025. And I finished this on August 5th, and at the time when I started painting it, I didn't write the date. I wasn't doing the whole date, keeping note of all of that. I just know I started it mid 2024. Or, yeah, around the summertime. So I just wanted to do one real quick, but I was not as quick as I am now. And this wonderful painting has 8,241 diamonds once completed. My previous total, 362,492 diamonds, or I have placed already. Including these as well. My new total is 370,733. Oh my goodness. Every time I read out the number, I surprise myself. And we're getting there. I wanted to complete this year 500,000 diamonds have been placed. That's my goal. Yeah, that's my goal. I'll call it my goal. I'm just super, super excited about it that I'm slowly getting there. I just know I need to complete a lot larger ones just so I can pick up the total a lot. And mostly so I can complete larger ones. And yeah, so this painting, I didn't really have any issues. And now I forgot where I put the diamonds. Apologies. I usually put my containers aside. Sorry, I moved away from the microphone. Oh, here we go. And yeah, I separate containers I have that are still whips, work in progresses that I'm working on, or when I've completed. And I always make a note that I need to dekit it, so stay tuned. I will do a dekitting video of this beautiful painting and I'm going to tell you why Diamondardt's diamonds are a tad different than everything else. So yeah, I had more than enough. I never at any point was worried. As you can see, these are all the diamonds ever left over. That is a lot of diamonds left, and no point was I worried, oh, I'm going to be short. So I'm really glad at how many I have left over. I don't have a lot of diamonddots saved. I have to really start saving them because I really love their diamonds. The trash wasn't that much either. As you can see, it's such a small amount. Let me see if I can get it in the tray real quick without dropping all of my other trays. I have the habit of stacking them up. So let me get one that's a little darker. Oop, there we go. Just so you can see it a little better. Oh my goodness, there is no trash. I didn't have any issues. There weren't a lot of diamonds that were either had little tabs or any kind of chips or anything in them. I didn't have any issues at all. I knew that every time I picked up a diamond, I wasn't going to have any problems. I really liked it. Didn't have a lot of trash. Big fan of that. And yeah, there were a ABs, if I can find them. There was a pink one, I believe. No, it's not. Diamondotz doesn't usually, not that I've seen, not with a lot of the paintings I've worked on from them. They don't have really indicators of special diamonds. As for example, other companies will put AB for an Aurora Borealis diamond. So I don't usually see that. But there are ABs. I believe, yeah, there we go. So this pink one, diamonddotz code for this one is 5004. This beautiful pink, really subtle, but there is an AB effect on it. Really like that. And I believe the white as well. I'm just not sure which one it is. And I should have looked a little carefully. Apologies for that. There were two. There was the pink color, which the pink AB is lining this beautiful pink rose. You see a little extra sparkle on it. It's that beautiful AB. There was an off-white color as well, but I'm not too sure which color it is. It looked either really shiny that I keep thinking it's an AB or it's not. I'm a bit embarrassed because I did not go through it. through it thoroughly. I thought there was a yellow one, but no, apologies. I'm confusing with another painting I'm working on. It does have a nice little yellow color as this rose, but the AB is there. Yeah, I really thought there was another one. Let me look at the painting a little closely. It's so pretty whenever I see it up close. And the way it looks beautifully on camera, that's how it looks in person. So I really love that the roses... Ooh, apologies, I tapped the microphone. I love how the roses look so clearly. No, but I found the white one. It's this color. I just don't know why I can't spot it. I thought it was this color. Sorry, I have to look under the box. The labels cover the colors really well. And that's why it's kind of... I don't know. Unless I finished the ABs. I remember there being a white one. And you can kind of see it a bit in the red, in the pink rose, a little bit in the orange. I'm not too sure. I might have finished it. Or I did enhancement, but I don't believe I did. Sorry, it's, as I said, this painting, I kept bouncing it back and forth when I was working on it. So sorry that I don't have so many details about it. But it is really pretty. And I actually was, originally, when I first showed this painting, and I was looking for the link to, see if y'all were interested in it, I couldn't find it. Walmart wouldn't state it anymore. But recently, when I was putting up for my recent video, sorry, I forgot what I was going to say, recent video of all of my whips, diamonddotz, keep wanting to say a different company, apologies, diamonddotz does have it back on their site. So if you're really loving these pair of roses and you love partials, especially if you just want to work on a quick painting, I do recommend this one. It is so beautiful. And I just fell in love, especially with the peach rose. I'm just a big fan of it. And not just because of my name. So, the diamonddotz thing. So, diamonddotz has their own, as you can probably tell, they are not DMC codes. You see that? Diamonddotz has their own identifier for their diamonds. But the wonderful thing is Diamonddotz does have a conversion chart. Apologies. That's how I'm able to save the diamonds, because you can't pull up the chart. So, for example, diamond 8259, I believe it's 310, because usually 310 has that dot as a symbol, but I'm not sure. And it's black, so apologies. And yeah, you just compare them and you can save the diamonds, whether in the diamonddotz code or in the DMC code, however you want to save your spares. And they are really good. They are really nice diamonds. They're really, for myself, they're really soft to place, really smooth. They have so much sparkle with them as well, as you can see. And yeah, and especially, I highly recommend diamondot canvases, especially if you're a beginner. Mostly because they are really budget friendly. They are a premium company because they do license the art on these paintings, and they are just really affordable. And the reason I'm slowly picking up my diamondot stash is because Walmart sometimes, when they're changing the season, will kind of clearance the previous, canvases they have. So just keep an eye out. You'll see them really, really, really affordable. If not, you can go through the diamondotz site. They have a whole bunch of array of either really large canvases or even little small partials like this. I really do love this company and I need to buy more. And I need to stop talking about them because I'm going to keep hyping them up. I'm just a big, big fan. And again, this is Timeless Roses. And it was licensed from Shutterstock. That's where the image originally came from. Oh, so pretty. I'm going to keep staring at it. So, I said I had 2 completions. Of course, when I finish a big one, I have to do a mini dazzle. So, apologies. This, I was going to say drink. Well, technically that's what it's called. This mini dazzle is from the drinks collection. And this is from Diamond Art Club. And I had originally started this one a little while ago. This mini dazzle set was my first ever I've ever purchased of the mini ones. So I did try to start on it. So if you see this bottom part, it is so crooked. And I keep fixing them because I can see them. But I kept moving on. Recently, this one I finished yesterday. I finished on May 6th because, as I said, every time I finish a big one, I always want to complete a mini dazzle. It's my reward for putting in the work for the larger one. That's what I say. And this is, to my understanding, smoothie, I believe it's called. As you can see, the whipped cream with the cherry. I love the colors of the drink and the little cookie on top. On camera, it looks really, really nice. And I love how the whipped cream came out because there are different tones in it. You can see it has a little swirl effect and the wonderful little foam effect of it. So this wonderful painting, I'll get my notes here, is my 31st in my premium diamond painting lifetime, my 26th of 2025. And as I stated, I finished this on August 6th. So since I've already hit 26, I'm going to push my goal of 30 canvases for the year of 2025 that I've completed. So I got 4 more. And we're barely, not little past half, mid-year? Well, half year, I'll say that. So stay tuned. If I can hit 30, and it's not even, let's say, November, you could take a chance to try to hit 35. But right now, I'm just happy that I've already passed the 25 mark. So I'm proud of myself and my diamond painting adventures. Because I can only keep, completing more, can't I? And this set as well, and the painting as well, I'll put the information description below. You have a nice little smoothie or a pair of roses. It's your cup of tea as well. I really want to drink this, but it's not real. And yeah, I'm still working on, I'm figuring out which would be my next completion, because everything, I do have 2 diamonddotz that I haven't completed. But I really want to finish a large canvas. And I really want to finish my square canvas that I've been working on that I wanted to do for August. Stay tuned for it. I've done my 2 for the month because I originally wanted to do 2 per month. So yay, I did 2 for the month. So stay tuned. I'm going to keep on trucking and see which next canvas will be next that I could finish. I mostly want to see if I can complete at least one of the whips I showed in my previous video. Just so y'all can see it going. And some of those canvases are really big. So, but I am going to keep trucking along. Well, actually, one of them, I think I might be able to finish this month. Stay tuned for that. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like, comment, and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do. Emoji time, because the smoothie is just telling me do an emoji. So I'm not sure if there's the smoothie emoji, but there's the rose emoji. So whichever one is fine. But if there's a smoothie one, I would really be happy to see that. And mostly because I want to see if there is a smoothie one, because I'm a big fan of it. Oh, and I did forget to state one other thing. We are 2 away from hitting 800 subscribers. So I really want to thank everybody that currently are subscribed and have subscribed to the channel with me since the beginning. I really, really do appreciate that. But if you are loving all of the crazy videos I put out there, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe, because I really do want to hit 800, and it's 2 off. I'll be honest, it's kind of bugging me a little bit. That sounds so funny, but it would be greatly appreciated, and I am really, really happy of putting as many videos as I can, so stay tuned. I got ideas for later in the year. Oh. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.